Hello, I'm Nadila Ifazakira, the current global intern for Rest Artists Worldwide Network of Art Residencies. Rest Artists has over 650 members in 80 countries. We support art residency programs that range from tiny grassroots organizations to major institutions. We work as the leading advisory body in the global arts residency field, ensuring that the field remains sustainable, inclusive, and professional. We are interested in connecting personally with our members and learning about the possibilities and challenges of the program. This is the second part of conversation with Timothy Art Institute, where today I'm joined by the current artist in residence of Timothy, Chandrani Yuris. Hi, Chandrani.
Hello.
Um, Hi. So, Chandrani Yuris is an artist from Jakarta, Indonesia. She takes an auto ethnographic approach to discuss challenges as young woman within the system of norms and values of the Islamic community in contemporary life through the language of art. She has participated in several exhibitions such as Yogyakarta Biennale, Art Job, the Bandung Contemporary Artworks, and many more. Hi, Chandani. Do you want to introduce yourself and your practice, maybe?
Yeah, sure. Hello, guys. I am Chandrani Yulis, an artist from Yogyakarta, Indonesia. As a young artist, I'm presenting my art using various mediums such as installations, drawings, and audiovisual to translate my research finding into artwork and engage with the collective public memories. And my continuous and consistent spirits to learn about history and women's positions in society, provoking critical question of identity as a symbolic gesture in contemporary life. Yeah.
Wow, yeah, it's really interesting. So, what drew you to apply to Chimoti residency program?
I applied for residency program in 2022. I mean, like, 2023 last year in the end of 23, and then uh I applied and like Mas Tito and Mbak Mira interview me for the um second period. I mean like the first time is like the proposal, and the second is like interview, and then after that I joined this residency.
Um, what makes you interested to join the residency program in Chimati?
Oh yeah, because Yamati give a lot of advantages, such as like the funding itself, and also the art director who will help me a lot to sharpen my idea, and also uh, they give me like another wide scene in Yogyakarta. Like we have a studio visit to a lot of artists in Yogyakarta, and also interview and something like that. Yeah.
So, how far your residency so far right now? Is it already complete or how?
Yeah. No, now it's like still ongoing. This is my second month of the yeah, the um, the residency, and also it was great because sometimes residency is just making an art, but Jamati like helped me a lot how to make the idea, and also use the poetic way to transform my idea to an artwork. So yeah, the second period, I mean the second month, we are focused on um, our research, because there are two artists, and the first one is like introduce ourselves to about this Yogyakarta art scene, but for the second month we focus on our research.
Mm. So, do you mind to share your project with Smriti with us? Maybe what kind of project are you taking right now?
Ya, sebentar ya Mbak. Apa? Aku jadinya disuruh join para representatif soal film. Jadi aku bakal di sini. Oh, oke. Eh, Oh, maaf, ini aku ada Gisela. Gisela akan ikut di sini atau gimana?
Oh, Gisela tuh berarti dari timnya Cemeti ya?
Cemetinya.
Oh iya
Heeh.
iya iya. Kalau mau boleh. Kalau misalnya ini, tapi memang pertanyaannya bakal lebih ke senimannya sih. Cuma kalau misalnya nanti dari
Oh,
Cemeti mau nambah-nambahin juga nggak apa-apa kok. Kemarin sih, boleh.
hmm, eh, berarti gabung atau nggak usah? Karena kan pertanyaannya fokus di senimannya. Jadinya gimana?
Iya, kayaknya lebih ke senimannya aja kali ya.
Oh, kayaknya lebih ke senimannya aja.
Ya, memang aku tapi akan ada di sini.
Oh ya, oke.
Oke, aku
Tip
ulang aja
next.
kali ya pertanyaannya. Jadi,
Hmm.
um, oh ya, do you mind to share your project with Cemeti right now?
Yeah. My research about Gowo. In the past, Gowo is like a teacher for um the son, the royal. I mean the royal of family in Java, because we know like in the past there are the women who teach about sex education for boys who want to get married, and now the Ching and the value of Gowo is disappeared. I mean, because the norm and the value in this our society is like a shifting, because in the past like Gowo is the highest position, one of the highest position for the woman who have a job to teach about sex education.
Oh, it's very
Yeah,
interesting.
but now people think that it's the same with the prostitution.
Is it only for like the royal family or like Javanese families in general?
Actually, it's for general, but only the rich family can access that education, because in Java we call it like a chantri. That's why it's pretty expensive, because we not only pay for the education but also for living. That's why only from the rich family can access that kind of things.
Oh, I'm actually from Java myself, but I I didn't know
Really?
about this. But yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm,
Um, my mom
mm,
and my father like from Java, and I was born in Jakarta. But yeah, still go back
mm.
every
Right.
year. But still, yeah, it's just like uh part of the culture that I didn't know. So it's really interesting.
Yeah, but it's kind of a lot of names of Gowo. It's not only Gowo, because in East Java we also call it like Guru Laki. Laki in Javanese, East Java, it's mean like ngelakeni. It's mean menyetubui. That's
Mhm.
why Gowo it's like called as Guru Laki. But in central of Java, we familiar with Gowo as the name.
Mm. So, do you mind to share the creative process so far for this project?
Yeah, so far the first month I met a lot of researchers like Peter Carey and also Pak Budi. Both of them is like the historical writer. So and then I also met Mbak Dewi Chandraningrum. She is a feminist writer also, and she share a lot of his thinking about this perception of Gowo itself, and also now I try to develop an art itself for the exhibition. Yeah, it's kind of a journey for me, because this is my very first time to take this research for especially for this exhibition, and I asked to Chamati to help me a lot to like finding person who can help me about this topic. Yeah.
Oh, so do you interested in this topic before joining the Chimati residency program or after the Chimati residency program? After joining the Chimati residency program?
Yeah, actually, I know this topic I prepared this topic for a long time ago, but I have no time to to do this research because sometimes it's hard for me to sorry tadi nge-lag. Sometimes it's hard for me if I walk alone to finish this topic because I'm independent artist now. But I know if I join this residency, Jamati will help me as a gallery to to like uh to like to meet another person like the writer or researcher to help me digging the information of Gowo. That's the point that I choose why I joining this residency.
Oh, so like the network and collaborations that Chimati provide is really
Yes,
helpful. Yeah, it's very
yes,
yeah,
that's
it's
why
very
I yes. Yes,
yeah.
and I also talked to Chamati if because this is my very first time joining this residency. I hope the residency will help me a lot to like this is my primarily notes to continue after residency to continue this topic.
Um, so do you mind sharing with us like kind of spoiler to what kind of art will you produce this time? Like after researching
Yeah,
the topic.
yeah. I will make what's that installations,
Mhm.
and there are a room that I must install my artwork, and the metaphor is maybe about Goa itself and around the things of Goa. And I cannot talk too much because now I still developing the art and need like permission from my curators or also my art directors. So that's why the spoiler is only like I made an installations.
Um, so it's more like experiential art installation for like the visitors.
Um,
Or
Actually,
is
it's
it
like
still spoiler?
I try like yeah, maybe it's like a metaphor about Kobo itself
Um,
and also the element of Kobo.
mm, yeah, it's very interesting. I'm very sad that I wouldn't be able to go because like I'm in Melbourne right now. So yeah, very good luck with your process.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so continuing the discussion for about your project with Samati about this Jowo, um in what ways do your project resonate with audiences like both locally and globally? How do you think your project will resonate with audience?
Mm, because I realized that history repeat itself.
Mm,
That's why my topic is like very significant contextual this current situation because the first time I hear about Kobo is like I already read like in the past Kobo it's like the feminism because the education is like not only for the son only but it's to help calon istri what's kind calon istri
yeah,
um
the future wife, the bride to be. Yeah.
yeah the future wife to know about their future husband. That's why it's like help each other for the woman. But after Islamic come and also Christianity come and also colonials come to Indonesia, the norm in the value is changed. That's why it's very contextual because it's not only Goa but everything that influence with three kind of things that I mentioned before. Now it's like disappear and change and different value and perspective. And also the second, why it is important because we know that until now for a woman who get the job, it's still like we got a lot of discrimination and like different perspective with the men, because like only woman we our society think that the woman only their body. I mean, like the Goa itself is like a teacher, so I think she has like methods and also knowledge about anatomy and something like that. But people still focus on, you know, uh, the lovemaking itself, gitu. So yeah, it's kind of a different thing Goa before and now. But I think like the similar thing is like woman's position in society from the past and until now. It's like a similar for me.
Mm. Yeah. So you're exploring the discussion about like how woman position doesn't change even like throughout these years. Like even though it's
Yeah.
the practice of Dao itself actually before the Islamic came, so that's like meaning like far behind, like when the um what is it, when the kingdom still like rules in here in Java, like
Mm,
because like Islam came as religion in Indonesia is already very back in years, you know. So it's so the Dao
yeah.
practice is very, yeah, has been um the Dao itself has been you know, practicing in like through centuries even.
Hmm. And it's not only for Goa, yeah. I mean a lot of things. And until now, like our society very religious. So something like traditional is we also call it like shirik or something like that, because we think like a religious system sometimes change the old tradition. Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, sometimes religious system kind of contradict with the traditional belief system before the religion came. This is very interesting. And so what lesson have you learned so far during your time in residency?
What kind of combat?
Lessons.
Oh, a lesson. Yeah, a lot of things. For me, like the first is the networking itself. I know that as an independent artist, I need like another people who help me a lot, not just an artistic way, but also to brainstorming the idea, and also like how to use the exactly metaphor that can communicate with the visitors and audience, and not a very directly metaphor, but like a more poetic way using the art. Yeah, that's why I really thank you for Jamati who provide me that kind of things.
Mm. Yeah, I think it's very interesting that what you've been talking about is during our interview is actually aligned with what I discussed with Dito and Mira the other day, because like they aim to provide collaboration, network, and also like cultural exchange, like political and social context in Yogyakarta or Indonesia with the artist in residence. So it's very interesting to see how it play out in your practice as well.
Hmm.
So do you have you ever taken the art residency before Timothy?
Yes, I already get one in 2019 in Padepokan Seni Bakung Kusudiarja. It's like it's called Seniman Pasca Terampil, 9 months of residency, but it's kind of different with Cemeti because it's focused on managerial as an artist, because we not talk too much about how to produce an artwork, especially in arts. Uh, but in Cemeti, it's kind of different thing. Like we more focus how to making the art itself and focus on the exhibition, and also meet another people who can help us a lot about our topic. Yeah, um, that's my experience, but it's kind of a different residency.
Yeah. So, do you think art residency are important?
For me, yes, it's like the portfolio or the trajectory of the artist, because uh residency is not like for me, yeah, it's not like a studio uh for the artist, not only for that, but also to understand about the context of the social and also the area of the artist residence. Like maybe if I now, actually I'm not from Yogyakarta. I'm from East Java, but
Ah,
I like
oh,
continue my study in Yogyakarta, and when I got the residency in Jamati, I also learn again, try to thinking again about my culture, about the city that now I got the residency, and yeah, and etc. And also I can imagine, because this is my very first time residency in the artistic way. Maybe if I apply to another residency like in a port, I can imagine how to know, to contextual my idea to the the country itself, and also like how to know the king about the culture, and yeah.
I'm curious, like, do you interact with other residents as well in Chimati?
Yes, there are one of residents from Amsterdam. She
Mm,
is a Monica. She has different practice with me, because she is more focused on of the thing, but
mm,
my art is like more focused on the research and the story about the co. And yeah, every day we meet together and also talk each
mm,
other, and like have a weekly meeting to know the progress of our project. Yeah.
Oh, so you kind of like this is also like part of the collaboration process within the art residency as well.
Actually, we have like our own project, but the
Mm,
exhibition will like the will preview together. But yeah, it's nice when we know from another artist, especially not from Indonesia, to know the practice itself, and also to know how their country runs their art scene, because we have like a different experience in here and different perspective of art itself. So when I met Monica, we can talk each other about the differences and how to be a good artist and something like that.
mm. Yeah, it's really great for you. I I'm really interested with your topic as well. So it's very great. It's really nice to hear what you've been doing so far in your
Mm.
Chimati residency. So what's your plan for the future? I mean, after the residency ends, do you have anything in mind?
Yeah, I think it's like this is my premier notes. Like the first step, the first milestone that I need to know how to exactly to continue this topic. And I can imagine that after this residency, I can find another metaphor or another opportunity to continue my research. Maybe like to apply the exhibition for in another galleries or something like that. And also maybe I can like can wider this topic, because we have like a lot of intersection about Kowo, about a woman experience, about the men, or about our society. Yeah, I got a lot of information, and now like my very first time to to arrange the information to be one topic for this residency only. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much for your time today, actually. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. This is like maybe the last question for you
Yeah, sure.
today. Yeah. Have you ever heard about rap artists before? I mean, like you've been you went into the one art residency before Timothy, but have you ever heard about rap artists?
Yes, I already know about Res Artist. I already followed in Instagram Res Artist for a long time ago, but I'm not really understand how to like apply, especially for artists in residency through the Res Artist community. But I know the Res Artist provide like a residency for and have a collaboration between several galleries or institution in some countries, right?
Yeah, yeah, we're actually managing like a network hub, and also we have a
Mm-mm.
website that we always update it for like every time our members is actually the gallery or like art residency who has like open call or like
Uh,
they open their new program, so artists can know like gain information from rest artist pages like Instagram or website to apply to like getting know more about like what's the new thing, what's the new program from all of our members like in the whole world, like worldwide
mm-mm.
art residencies. We have like 650 members. So yeah, I recommend that you check them out. Like maybe there's like something that align with your topic, especially I think this is like very important topic as well. And I'm very grateful that you have the time to talk with us today. And yeah, it's very nice to talk to you today. Thank you very
Mm.
much. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Dr.